In this video, we're going to cover automation actions, which are the actions that are followed by the trigger event. So I'm going to open up this automation we were working on in the last video, and we had a trigger set for a form being filled out, this case study form. Let's say this is on our website or one of our funnels, somebody fills it out, and that's what triggers this automation to send off. And then we can create action steps. So a lot of different examples are shown here on the right of different action steps that our software gives you access to. And so some of the common ones would be, after a form is submitted, might be an SMS. So send SMS is one of our actions here, and we could say hi or hey, and then we could do contact first name. So it'll say, hey, John, and then type out our message here. Another action could be send email. And so we type in send email right here, and we can type in our from name. So we could say this is from John, the from email, john@gmail.com. You can actually type in any email you want here, and it'll mask over the email from the software. And so you can type in whatever email you want here, and it'll show that it's from this email. Subject could be, form submission on our website. And then you can type out your message. You can also select from email templates. If you've created any email templates, you can select from those right here. Or you can just type out the message. So you could say, hey, contact first name, hey, John. And then you could type out your message there. So that's how to use these different email steps. And then let's say we wanted to do something else. Let's pick another one that we can do. Maybe we want to leave a voicemail drop. So our software can do automated voicemails where we can pre-record and upload a file here, an MP3 file of a recorded voicemail, and it'll ring on the phone of the lead one time, and then it'll go straight to their voicemail. So it won't even give them the chance to pick up the phone, and we're leaving them a voicemail right on their phone. Just another way to follow up with new leads that you've captured. And you could say, hey, John, or you wouldn't say their name because you're going to have to use the same recording for everybody, but you could say, hey, this is John with Business 101, just calling because I saw you submitted the form on our website and just wanted to introduce myself. We'll reach out shortly and give you more information on our products or services or whatever it is. You could leave that customized voicemail message on everybody's phone who submits this form. And we can't save that one because we need to upload a file in there in order to save it, but I'll just leave that one off for now. And then there's a lot of different things that we can add in here. Let's find another one. We could give them access to a specific offer of ours, like a course. So whenever someone fills out a form, if we promise them that we would give them access to a course that we created inside of our software here under the memberships tab, we can grant that course offer here. So course grant offer. And so we can have that as one of our steps, and we can select from our different courses. Let's say winning with ads is one of our courses that we have created, which is one of the ones that I created in this account here. I'm going to hit save action, and it'll also send them an email now with a username and password that they can log in and access this course from. So a lot of different cool actions that we can add to our workflows. I'm going to show you how to add wait steps in the next video because that's pretty important. If you don't want all these to send out at the same time, we need to add wait steps in between them, and I'll show you that in the next video.